Are you stressed about building a side hustle in the middle of a crisis? In this video, I will give you 3 tips on how to recession-proof your side hustle so you can make money in 2021 and beyond. Coming up. If we're meeting for the first time, my name is Lon Jordan, and I am a speaker and author of Sketched by Design. And I give tips to help people discover their unique design so they can be successful in the 21st century marketplace. So how do you recession-proof your side hustle? Well, first, you must fulfill an unmet need. Many people create a product or service without first asking themselves if their product or service fulfills an unmet need in the marketplace. And a lot of people become frustrated and want to quit because they haven't done their homework or thought it through. The question you need to ask yourself is, does my product or service fulfill an unsatisfied need in the marketplace? And the best way to know if it does is by doing your research. And one way to do research is by talking to non-customers, people that you think would purchase your products, but you have not yet converted, and asking them what they need, as well as what problems they are having that they need solved. Another way to do research is by going online and seeing what trends are going on, as well as what problems people are having with some of the products and services that they paid for that are similar to yours. Another thing you can do is join private Facebook groups where some of your potential clients and customers would be, and reading the comments and seeing what questions they have, as well as what problems that they need solved. You can also go on Reddit and see what people are talking about and what they need. By doing your research, you'll be able to see if you need to tweak your product or service or create a new product or service that fulfills an unmet need and solves a problem in the marketplace. If you feel like you're getting value, make sure to click the like button as well as subscribe. And make sure to click the bell to get notified when a new video comes out. What recession-proof tip do you have to help someone with their side hustle? Let me know in the comment section below. Second tip, you must know what unique value you offer. Just because you think your product or service is great doesn't mean it will sell. And just because your competitors are selling the same products that you are doesn't mean that someone will pick your product over theirs. The question you need to ask yourself is, what unique value do I offer? What is it about your product or service that makes it unique and different, where people will be persuaded to buy your product over your competitors? Some years back, I found out that I was using soap that had animal byproducts in it and other things that I did not want in my body. And so I realized that I needed to find a healthier soap. And so I started looking for a company to solve my problem. Well, eventually I found one and I bought their product and I was fully satisfied. Why was I satisfied? Because the woman who sold me my soap had a thorough knowledge of her company's competitor's soap and what was inside that soap, and she also had a thorough knowledge of the soap that she was selling me. She understood and was able to communicate her company's value proposition. Taking the time to write down what makes your product unique and different from your competitors and being able to articulate the unique value you offer will help position you to make more money in the marketplace. Third tip, you must confront your fears. Trying to build a side hustle in the middle of a crisis can be terrifying, and trying to create an additional stream of income in a fluctuating economy can create a lot of anxiety, and it's easy to become consumed by fear. What if I don't have enough clients and I'm not able to pay my bills at the end of the month? What if I'm on a job that I hate that I can't leave because I don't have an additional stream of income? What if I fail and I lose everything? All of these fears can consume our mind if we're not careful. That's why it's so important for you to focus on the vision that you have for your life. Because the truth is, there will always be an obstacle, and there will always be mountains that you will have to climb. But if you are willing to have faith and put one foot in front of the other anyway, and are willing to be consistent regardless of the circumstances, there will come a time in your life where your vision will become a reality. Never give up on your dreams. Question of the day. What challenges have you had building a side hustle? Let me know in the comments section below. To learn more about how to create a side hustle, make sure to watch my How to Start a Side Hustle series. If you felt like this video helped you, make sure to share it with a friend, click the like button, as well as subscribe. See you in the next video.